The first time we are organizing this inter-staff of school, higher secondary and colleges together for men and women. The main purpose is every child who is participating in sports is encouraged by the staff. But never staff has an opportunity to showcase their talents. And for that reason we felt why not invite the various schools and colleges and higher secondaries to come together and showcase. And we are very happy that we got very good response this year, and we intend to continue every year. And I must give credit to our physical education teachers because they are the ones who made our school the most, in sports, number one in Goa. And because of them, we have that enthusiasm, and our children also are doing very well in sports. Everyone enjoyed this evening.
We are happy that Sharada Mandir has invited us for this tournament here. First of all, because it is for the staff members. And I think staff members really require a stress buster. And this type of an organization of any tournament will surely help our staff, First of all, the bonding with other staff members from other institutions, and also for our members themselves, to bond with each other. And therefore, we are grateful to Sharada Mandir for organizing this tournament. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.